Frustrated with the function PETSc Library DLL pop-up blocking PETSc project? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start our guide for function PETSc Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the function PETSc Library, a core module of the PETSc Portable Extensible Toolkit for Scientific Computation library. It provides high-performance implementation for linear and nonlinear equations. If missing, specialized engineering or physics simulation software will crash citing and arithmetic module load failure. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like function PETSc library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the function PETSc library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install function PETSc Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on function PETSc library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for function PETSc library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support